Nnamdi Kanu will be prosecuted and jailed if necessary, according to the law. Malami assures Ohaeneze Ndigbo. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami's son, has reacted to the formation of a legal team by the Ohaeneze Ndigbo. The team is to observe the trial of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafran IPOB named Kanu. Malami, through his spokesperson, Dr. Umar Jabrilu Gwandu, noted that monitoring court proceedings was in line with Section 36 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and assured that Kanu would get fair hearing. The AGF assured Ohaeneze that Kanu will be prosecuted within the confines of the law, but he advised the said Ohaeneze legal team not to be biased in its monitoring of developments during court proceedings. Hence, with or without the so-called monitoring group, justice will be adequately served to Nnamdi Kanu in compliance with the enshrined provision of the law. It is hoped that the unnecessary legal monitoring group will come with open mind and guided by nothing but the rule of law in the process, so as to convey the judgments of the court as may eventually be delivered to the people in various languages and dialects of the members of the Ohaeneze Ndigbo communities and the entire Nigerians, the statement partly reads. Also, Malami praised Ohaeneze for having a different worldview from IPOB, a group founded to pursue the separation of Biafra from Nigeria. Inherent in the position of the Ohaeneze Ndigbo on the matters was the demonstration of their recognition of belonging to Nigeria and succumbing to the rule of law while maintaining their stance that they were not averse to the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. In similar vein, the group showed a mature departure from mindset of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra when Ohaeneze said they do not support the use of any form of violence while channeling concerns and presenting demands. By urging the youth to be law-abiding and sheath their swords, as well as asking them to try to obtain voters' cards to enable them contribute to national development, the position of Ohaeneze becomes glaringly constitutional and commendable. Let it be made abundantly clear that President Muhammad Buhari-led federal government respects the rule of law and does not advocate for the breach of law, the statement added. There is something I want to correct in Malami's statement before I begin tackling the Ohaeneze. President Buhari administration does not support or concord to the rule of law. It does not, one bit. It is the only administration that I see that go against the law of the country. It is the only administration I see that knows what the Constitution entails and go against it. I've not seen Buhari doing as stated in the Constitution. I've never seen that. Because of Buhari, the Senate have jumped sections in the Constitution. They have overlooked sections in the Constitution. When we come about borrowing, in the constitution, Buhari has overlapped and overdone. When you talk about human rights, Buhari has overlapped. What are we saying? What has Buhari not gone against in the constitution that you are saying that Buhari's administration is an administration that supports and adheres to the constitution and the rule of law of the country? What are you saying, Malami? You see? No wonder they say that you are Buhari's boy. No wonder they say you are Buhari's boy. It is true. And now I'm saying that. That's the reality. You are really Buhari's boy. You should know better. You are a son, for crying out loud here. This is how you keep deceiving Buhari himself on what is not in the constitution. And I don't understand. I don't understand. And even the Ohaeneze that you are giving the responsibility of monitoring Nnamdi Kanu's trial, that is their own problem. Whether they monitor, they don't monitor, IPOB will go for the trial and they will come out victorious. Nnamdi Kanu will be tried and he will come out victorious. And all those who wish him bad will definitely be the one to wish him well when he will be declared free. Nnamdi Kanu will not be jailed. He will not be jailed. If that is the prayer of many of you. Because I know that the enemies of Biafrans are enormous. They are enormous. Do you understand? So, I don't know what you are feeling like. I don't know what you are saying. But the only thing I know that so-called trial that you are believing in will surely be for the favor of Nnamdi Kanu. The judge will speak for his favor. He will speak for his favor. You all will be surprised at the way things will go. You'll be surprised. God is not asleep. God is watching. You understand? God is watching. With all this that has happened, I believe that God will make Nnamdi Kanu a victor. You understand? So, my dear viewers in the house, let me hear from you and know what you have to say. If you are new, click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos.